All right, in this video, we're going to go over homework 11.1, number 3. We're arranging 10 books in the library, and really we're trying to figure out permutations, combinations, or counting principle. So one hint I have is you have only one category, right? It's just books. Okay, so that usually means it's permutations or combinations, depending on if the order matters or not, right? Because it's just one category. And so, let's see, when it says arrange, that I think that the order will kind of matter here. And basically, like, the way I think of it is like, here's my first slot on the bookshelf, and how many choices do I have when I pick a book, right? And I can pick 10 different possibilities for this first book. Okay, and then when we get to the second spot, okay, how many books do I have to pick from here? Well, now I got 9 because we placed one already. And then the next slot we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then when you get to the last book, you only have one book left, so you only have one choice. Okay, and if you have 10 choices here, and then after that, from there, you have 9 choices for each one of those, you just end up multiplying all these together. Okay, so this one is technically a permutations one, because the order matters, so you can do 10p10, where you have 10 and you pick 10, or you can actually just do 10 factorial, which is what I wrote right up there. Either one of those will work on your calculator, and it'll be a pretty big number. All right, so let's flip to the calculator here and do 10. And I think we go to math and go over to probability. Basically, you got to find this exclamation point key. So it's a mega big number, or you can do 10p10. So I type 10 math, 10 math, go over to probability, do the permutations option, and it's 10p10. I'm picking 10 out of 10 where the order matters, and so it's a pretty big number there, but it's something like, it looks like about 3.6 million or something like that. Okay, that's the answer to number 3. Thanks for watching.